students, turn on your cameras, everyone. Settle down yourself, get ready with your laptops on, with everything fixed with you. Be very active and concentrating today in the session. 7 2 students I have. Let's wait 5 minutes more for joining others. Get me some water as well. Make sure that you have notepad or MS Word or something because today I'll be giving some notes also for you to copy paste either. Won't be giving time to write because the notes are quite lengthier. So you need to copy paste them, save with yourself. Make sure that your notepad and Word is there in your laptops or something.
Hello, excuse me. I have joined a little late, so I don't know what to do.
Hello everyone, a very good evening. Hi, ready?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
But yeah, sorry for the delay actually. I had 3 to 4 back-to-back sessions before you guys. So I just took water and something. Chalo, let's start everyone. Today we were doing ideogram. होमवर्क दिया था शायद पोस्टर वाला. कितनों के पोस्टर बने भाई भेजो चैट पे भेजो मुझे. भेजो एक एक करके चैट पे. भेज देते यार अभी तक. Why you guys were wasting the
Ma'am,
time? You could have
I
sent it in the
can't
chat.
send it on chat.
It's fine. You can share your screen and show me.
Okay.
Those who can send me, they can. They could have sent already in the chat if you remember the homework.
Ma'am, I did in another account.
Ah,
Ma'am,
good
can
job.
I
No
share
problem.
my screen?
No problem. Whatever account you have done. I bother for only the poster you have
Ma'am,
created.
can you see
Yeah,
my
yeah, it is visible one by one. Abhin, show me. Then I'll come to you afterwards because I can't see because of the
I had made a
screen.
lot of them and I had only used my account. I had a lot of credits. This
Lot
is
of
the control.
and show me. This is the
Uh,
one. Only one single poster I
yeah,
want. In
this,
which
this
topic
one.
have you chosen? You have to tell me about that and how your poster is using the AI. That was the homework. If you guys remember,
This
yes.
is, I have
Hold
made
up.
class 5A, and in that
Hmm.
class 5A, because I'm in 5th A right now, and
That is okay.
6, I'm going to go to 6th this year.
Okay.
Over here it is written clean classroom. It was
Perfect.
blank before, so I thought the blank is not looking good. So
Okay.
I made it clean classroom, and then I made one in the save environment. This one.
My
Wait.
question is in your poster where AI is being used. That was my homework. Create a poster in much more creative way and make sure that you have to explain that your poster is using AI in it.
AI, the whole thing is made by AI. It generated
Ah,
all those
not that.
photos.
Not that I meant.
Then,
जैसे अगर आपने क्लासरूम बनाया था, so you could have used sensor fans or sensor windows or like a digital blackboard or a smart blackboard that could have used detect the voice of the teacher to showcase the study.
and
Yes.
then I made the same thing with Chat GPT.
That is okay. It's not about कौन सा tool you have used. It's about in your poster where AI application can be represented. That was my main aim of giving the poster.
Okay.
If I am giving with this homework, मैं एक बनाती classroom, ठीक है? I would have made the classroom. Priorly, मैं ऐसा prompt देती. I would have given the prompt in a way that there is a classroom which is clean and there is a teacher which is using a smart digital board. In that smart digital board, the AI is used to detect the voice of a teacher. That's how you have to think and change your prompt to make interactive and best poster that is showing the use of AI in it. Did you all understand? I hope everyone got the clarity now. Huh?
Okay.
I can
Okay.
see everyone faces. कि अच्छा ये करना था. Okay, this is. Yes, no problem. You guys can try again and tomorrow we can discuss. For now, let me start with the new topic we are going to have today. अच्छा मैं homework दोबारा लिख रही हूँ चार्ट पे clearly. Make sure that you note it down. Copy these, copy this homework with you all. Note it down. Copy it, click the picture or whatever you want. This is the exact homework you have to do. That ultimately make the broad sense of using the AI.
I have a doubt.
Actually, you should. All of you done so that I can start from my content? Students, done with the homework?
I have a
Homework.
question.
Abhin, go ahead. Turn on your
Oh,
camera, please.
okay. So in that poster, can do I need to write the 2 3 lines
No,
in
no.
the
You
poster
have to
only?
explain. You don't have to write. That's what I have mentioned, that you have to explain, not to write. Why
Okay.
will you write when you will be speaking out? Okay.
Okay.
वरना poster messy हो जाएगा, okay? Don't make the poster looks messy. Keep it clear and clean with less lines or in it. Okay, everyone. Chavi Mattu, why your camera is off? It's fine. Now, everyone, are you all done? Ready with your laptops? Yes? Chalo, I'm sharing my screen so that you guys can start ahead with that. Is my screen visible, students? बताओ.
No, ma'am.
No. Yes, students' screen is not being shared.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
But why? Chalo, I'm trying again. Now it is visible, everyone. Yes? बताओ भाई, no one is speaking now. Is my screen visible?
Ma'am, it
Yes,
is.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
ma'am.
All of
Yes, ma'am.
you.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, theek, let's continue. Okay, everyone, now tell me. This is the model of artificial intelligence. Now, artificial intelligence is like grandparents in the family, okay? What happens? The grandparents are there, the parents, the children, children's children, yes? That becomes the grandchildren, yes? This is how exactly. Artificial intelligence is the umbrella. is the biggest sphere that we have. Inside that, we have lot many subsets: machine learning, neural networks, deep learning. These are the names of the technologies that we have inside artificial intelligence. Okay? Artificial intelligence consists of all these things: machine learning, neural networks, which are used for various different application or examples or the features that we are using today in the real life. Okay, everyone? Anyone with any doubt? If you guys are getting clear, you can give me a thumbs up. If not, then you can raise your hand. Okay, that's what. Okay, next. Yeah. Now, this is what we call it as a machine learning model. Okay, everyone? Yeah. Quickly type in the chat, what language does computer understands? फटाफट से type करो. Computer understands only one single language, and what is that? I have 8 students with me. Only 4 have answered. 5. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Very good. Awesome students. Students from the previous batch did not even answer correctly, you know. But इस batch के सारे students ने बिल्कुल सही जवाब दिया है. Good job. Yes. The language understood by computer is the only language we have binary language, or we call it as machine language. Now, this is the machine learning model that we have. Machine learning model takes the input, okay, takes the input of your image, of your video, audio, anything. Whatever we are storing in the memory, that is being converted into the zeros and ones into this binary language or machine language inside the computer, and then they are further processed and give us the output. Okay, everyone? Model is something which takes the input of our image, our videos, audios, screenshots, GIFs, कुछ भी XYZ, any file, PDF, anything. All the information, all the data is converted into 0 and 1, which is the binary language or the machine language. And ultimately, the model is there. ये जो बीच में brain, there is, this and this. This is like a model. And brain-like structure is there of the model just to showcase that this is what machine learning means, that we have machine learning which learns from itself, uses its own brain, and try to identify or detect the things we are showing. Okay, everyone? That is the work of machine learning. That is the work of AI to automatically detect and identify the things. For example, face lock. Yeah, they're able to recognize your face. But my face lock opens from my face only, yeah. Anika's face lock will be open from Anika's face only, not from the Hiten or Nora. Is that so? So that is the meaning. And that is with the help of this machine learning model inside the artificial intelligence application that uses some instructions or commands that they are able to recognize the owner's face only, not any other people's face. Are you guys clear with what am I explaining? Then give it a thumbs up. Make sure, if you want, you can write anything, or if you want me to repeat any line to make notes or something, don't listen to it just as a uh, just as a poem or something. Okay, I'm not reciting any boring lesson. I'm explaining every deep detailed things to you all. Okay. After that, you will have the final output. Final output is what we call it as a prediction, that yes, this is the image of a girl, this is the image of a boy, this is the image of an animal, etc. Okay? And that is the work of machine learning model, which is used to identify, recognize, or detect what exactly the object or data is. Any type of data can be detectable or recognizable from machine learning models that we use. Either it is PDF, audio, image, files, etc., whatever. All of you. Got it? Now, what happens inside these brain like structure? ये तो बहुत short में बताया हुआ है. If we go ahead, that's the reality inside. What the reality says. The reality says that's how the model works. Because we are going to train a model, because we are going to generate our model of our own. That is why I'm teaching you this today before we dive into the topic. So we have a statement for, say, my problem statement is basically the main reason, the main aim to follow the model and give us the output. Okay, Nora is yawning, Anika is yawning. Anika is saying yes, I'm yawning. Don't get bored, students. My voice is not energetic for now. I agree to it because I have a sore throat. You guys already know about it. Okay, so what happens in the model? There is a statement. Now, my statement is I have a 6 p.m. batch with 8 students, okay? And my data is Hiten, Vedanta, Anika, Abhin, Noora, Navya, and Chavi. This is my data. Now, the machine learning model will collect the data. I will give the input and they will collect the data. They will collect the data of all your students. Tick. Now, data pre-processing. Data pre-processing is number 3 step. Basically, what happens? It will pre-process the data. Pre-processing means it will clean the data. That if there is any error, if there is any incorrect picture of any student or incorrect name or blurred images or blurred voices, anything. So the data will be first cleaned properly. The data is cleaned and that is what we call data pre-processing. After that, using some particular algorithm or instructions, we will be training the data. Training means they will be able to, model will be able to identify the pattern that these are the pictures of boys, these are the pictures of girls. And exactly after that, the model will be able to identify that this picture is of a boy and that boy is Hiten. This picture is of a girl and that girl is Nora. Did you understand? And that is where we get the final output. Is that so, students? Did you understand the actual working? And there is there if the accuracy is less. Accuracy means we have to choose an algorithm so that we can get best to best results. If the model is giving me that this is a picture of Anika and the correctness, matlab kitna sahi hai, that is just 80%, so that will not be considered correct. If it is 90 to 95%, that will be correct that yes, it is a picture of Anika only. Yes, it may be that Anika की दिखने जैसी लड़की हो सकती है, but that will not be the correct identification. So for that, we have to choose certain algorithms and instructions and commands we have to give in a way that it is going to give me the very good accurate percentage that yes, it is exactly and accurately the picture of Vedanta, no other boy. Got it? This is how evaluation is done and that is what we get as the output. Did you all understand? I really hope that I'm able to make it out, because this is something very important I wanted to explain you all. Sending you the pictures one by one in the chat. Make sure that the pictures are with you safely. Chalo, okay. Let's come to the today's task that we have, all of you. Now, all of you open your browsers in your laptops. In the browser in the laptop, open the new tab. Everyone, new window or new tab. All of you students, if you have joined from the laptop, quickly open your browsers and open your new tab. Fast. All of you got it? Now, give it a thumbs up, okay? In the chat, keep on giving me the thumbs up, that done or thumbs up, so that I can get that you guys have opened and you are exactly following my screen, students. Please be active in the session. Instantly reply me that yes, ma'am, we have done and we are following the same that you are showing on the screen. Chalo, good. I can see the answers. Now you have to search teachable machine. This is the spelling. Teachable machine. Everyone. After this teachable machine, you have to choose the first link. Open that. You will receive such kind of interface. All of you. Yes? Nora, unmute yourself and read what is written on the screen. Louder.
A teachable machine. Train a computer to recognize your own images, sounds, and poses. A fast, easy way to create machine learning models for your sites, apps, and more. No expertise or coding required.
No expertise or coding required. Vedanta, please explain what does it mean. I think Vedanta is lagging. Hiten, explain.
Ma'am, teachable machine, it's train a computer to recognize your own image, sound, and poses. A fast way, easy
You
way.
have to explain what Nora has read, not to read the same, my dear. What did you understand by these lines?
Ma'am,
I'm asking that to explain you.
it can recognize our sound, poses, and image.
Hmm. What are we creating in it?
Models for our sites, apps, and more.
Okay, we are creating models. Good. Anika, what is a machine learning model?
Ma'am, model that we made from machines.
Hmm. It is hardware or software? Yes, Anika.
Yes.
हार्डवेयर है कि सॉफ्टवेयर है
Yes.
इतना हाँ
Ma'am, software.
very good. It's like a software that we create and we call it as model. Okay, good job. Okay,
Thank you,
yeah.
ma'am.
So this is what teachable machine is about. This machine, this website gives us the opportunity, this AI tool gives us the opportunity to create our own model. हमारे मॉडल हम खुद अपना मॉडल बना सकते हैं. We can create our own model. We can name it Anika model, Hiten model, Vedanta model, Nora model, Ria model. We can create our own model and we can use it for several purposes, anywhere, anytime. Okay. Now, everyone, click on Get Started. And it says no more expertise or coding. Without writing any code, big instructions, big lines, we are going to make it. So it's quite hands on and easy. Get started. Everyone, reach this project, reach to this window. Give it a thumbs up instantly as you are getting the things done in the chat, either or the place you're sitting with. Navya. Okay. ठीक है चलो. Everyone reached to this. Perfect. Now today we will begin. Okay, let's introduce me. We can create a new project also. We are just creating any short projects. Okay. Now we will start with the audio project. Everyone, click on it. Hiten says I can't do. What is the problem, Hiten? Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, not able to open the tab.
Not able to open the tab. Have you joined via laptop?
No, ma'am.
From which device?
Ma'am, from phone.
From phone. फोन में तो ये ब्राउजर पे नहीं वर्क करेगा. You need to install the application प्ले स्टोर से.
Yes, ma'am.
That's what I have already written in the first itself, that you have to, if you are using mobile phones and iPad or something, it will not be work. It It will not be acceptable. It will only be acceptable if it is by a laptop. Okay? Or else you have to download the application, Hiten. Till then, you can just look very carefully, understand the things, okay, and ask me the doubts. All right, okay, all of you. Now, we have the first two samples with us. Samples are like data. जैसे मैंने data बताया था, I have a data of my 8 students from 5 p.m. batch. Similarly, I would call it as sample. Similarly, I have also audio samples here on which we will test, we will train our model, and we will be able to get our model. Once our model will be ready, we can use it anywhere to make the detection of our audios or whatever audios we can use. Okay, everyone. So now it says 20 minimum. That means 20 samples we need to collect. So click on mic, everyone. Mic. Okay, everyone, click on mic. After clicking on mic, click on record 20 seconds. And now you have to record. Hello, my name is Ria Kalra. I'm an AI instructor from Placy Technologies. I have been taking the batch of 6 p.m. with students and participants of 10, and they're quite good. And we are using how to make use of teachable machine. Thank you. Very good evening. All of you. All of you click on record 20 seconds. कुछ भी बोलो, कुछ भी record करो quickly, and then you will see a interface like extract of sample. Once done, gives a thumbs up. किसका किसका हो गया?
Ma'am, I have recorded.
Once done in the chat box, everyone can give their thumbs up. Then you can just write the steps at least with you in the notebook that you need to search teachable machine. You need to click on get started button. Then you need to choose audio project, something like that, so that at least you may not forget, or you have to download from the Play Store the application. Make sure I request everyone to please join from the laptops or desktops, because there are many applications or websites that are not supported on the browser, on mobile or iPad or your tablets, only supported on the browser from your laptop. I really request everyone to make use of that.
Ma-
Abhin is trying to sing something. Go ahead.
I have done it. I have pressed extract sample.
Okay, all of you. Now you have to click on extract sample, and you can see you have a lot of audio samples with you. Yeah, everyone, click on extract sample, and you will see the whole recorded samples. Now, number two. Click on number two, click on the pencil you have, click on that, edit the name, and you can just give it a name sample 2. Sample 2 audio. Just give it a name. Now it is saying 8 minimum. You have to record 8 samples minimum. Click on mic. Again, it is showing record 8 seconds. Okay. Click on that. Hello, everyone. My name is Ria. I'm an AI instructor and I'm currently taking 6 p.m. batch. Thank you. Extract sample again. Give it a thumbs up in the chat that how many of you have reached to this. How many of you have done this basically?
Ma'am, can you repeat what do we have to do in sample 2?
In sample 2, again, you have to record 8 minimum samples the way you have done for the first sample 1.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, I've done.
Ma'am,
All right. So all of you have done okay. Let's quickly click on train model. But before clicking on that, drop down karo. Drop it down on the advanced. All of you. All of you open this. Drop down it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Shavi.
Ma'am, actually, I tried recording my voice, but ma'am, it's not actually uh, doing it like that way.
Doing it like that way, what do you mean by that?
It's actually not working.
So you have to check your microphone or sound settings, please.
Okay, ma'am.
I have sent the image. जो drop down मैंने कराया, I have sent about the explanation, what the features in the drop down actually mean. All of you copy that with you, keep it so safe, the image and the explanation that is being sent, and read it and ask me if you did not understand.
Ma'am, what do we have to do?
All of you have noted it down. Did you understand what is the meaning of this epochs? बताओ. How many of you have got the meaning of this epochs? Navya, please explain.
Ma'am, epochs is a system through which the more studies are input like the voice, audio.
Hmm. Okay. Anyone, any doubt? Or are you all clear with it? All right.
Ma'am,
Next. Yes, Anika.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I didn't understood epoches.
Epochs. It is epochs.
Okay, ma'am.
You, after reading the explanation also, you did not understand?
No, ma'am.
Okay. See, epoch, it's quite easy that it says that how many times the model studies your data, how many times the model is working, the model is processing the many times. If I'm giving 8 students of data, the model will be processing it 8 times. Did you understand now? For example, if there is one epoch, it is given. So the student read the notes for one time. So that one time is what like that. If there are 20 students with me, then 20 times the model will be running because the model will be processing because 20 images or the data set will be there. Now you guys understand? That's very simple. And if I'm giving 50, 100,000, 2,000 students, the model will be running 100,000, 2,000 times, the processing will be done as number of epochs or as number of data set you guys are giving. That number of times the model will be working and will be reading the data and giving us the output. That is time taking, but with efficient setup, we are able to get the results. Let's proceed with the next. I'm for a moment, I'm just decreasing it to 10. All of you can decrease it to 10. Now click on under the hood. All of you click on under the hood. It is already mentioned train a model to see the detailed amount information. When you will click on it, when you will click on train the model, then whatever happens behind the model, you can see all that information here. So click on train model everyone. Now it says prepare the training data. Now the data is being read. Whatever audio samples we have been given, they are being read. Okay, let's check it out. That what do they have explained? They have explained us with some graphs. They told us that the audio samples that we have given, the graph shows that this is the accuracy level that the model is able to detect. This is what the epochs or loss or accuracy. This is just beyond your knowledge for now, but it is just shows about the model. Now the model is trained. Input is on. If you want to stop the input, it will stop. If you want to give the input, it will give you. And this is how one by one your samples are being read. Model is working and reading each of your samples, and the output is coming according to the sample 1 and sample 2 that we have, all of you. Did you all achieve the same? Make sure that you achieve the same.
Sir, is this 7 to 8 batch?
Arsh Khandelwal, 7 to 8 batch will be begin shortly in 5 or 10 minutes. We still have the students with 6 p.m. batch.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yep. Yes, Arsh? Okay, fine. Yeah, students, did you all get this? Students from the 6 p.m. batch, did you all get this? Now you have to click on
Yes.
export model. You have to export your model means you have to prepare your model so that you can use it anywhere whenever you want. So click on export model, everyone. You can see such, all of you. If you want, you can download it. If you want, you can just give a shareable link. We will do both. Okay. We are just directly downloading it. Download my model. Click on download my model, everyone. The download will happen here. And you can see that the model is being downloaded. Yes, students. This is how model will be downloaded. When you will click on download model, everyone. Even if you want, you can create a link by uploading your model. If you upload your model, it will create you a link also. Yeah, this is where a link is also generated. You can copy that link. You can share it with any other people. Suppose I'm sharing my model only to you. You can name it also, whatever name you want to go for it.
Good morning, ma'am.
Samaira Agarwal D, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Please mute yourself for now. We are not begin with the 7 p.m. batch student. Okay, so we have to just go see. I have shared my link also for the model and I have downloaded it also. And that's how you have just created your model. Everyone. 6 p.m. batch students, I really hope that you guys are clear. सब अपनी shareable link भेजो chat पे very fast. Quickly send me your shareable link and download your models because your downloaded models will be further used for other things. Make sure you have your models वरना फिर से बनाना पड़ेगा. Students from 6 p.m. batch, where are your shareable links? Vedanta, Abhin, Chavi, Anika, Nora, Navya, where are your links? Are you following the same or do you have any problems or confusions? Then please ask. Oh, we have Nora. Let me open the model for Nora. Okay. I cannot see any model, Nora. It says there is no model. But when I open mine, it is opening. Why it is not opening of yours? Oh, you have just copied this, Nora. No, you have to upload the model. Click on upload the model, then copy the link.
Ma'am, I did.
Anika, good job, Anika. I can have your model. Chalo, next.
Thank you, ma'am.
You have to upload your model, upload model option, and then you have to share the link, and then you will be having your shareable link. Okay. 6 p.m. batch student, those who are done can leave.
Thank you, ma'am. Good evening.
Thanks. Good evening. Yeah. Navya, you have a problem. Please continue.
I was joined with the tablet, so can I share the model tomorrow?
Yeah, surely. Those who have not shared the model, I need the model links as well as the downloaded model in their systems. Make sure that you
Thank you,
get
ma'am.
me the things done tomorrow itself.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Navya. Yes, Eden.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
Ma'am, can I show you tomorrow?
Yeah, that's what Navya also asked the same question. That's what I've
Thank you.
repeated, that the people, those who are left, can easily share me tomorrow. There's no problem. You can share your models, but make sure tomorrow in the batch, I would love to see the downloaded models as well as the shareable links of all of you, okay?
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Chavi.
Ma'am, I tried recording my voice again and again, but ma'am, it's actually not recording.
So you have to please check out your system and sound settings. or get the help from any of your guardian nearby, because that ultimately the settings happens. Ask the Google, ask ChatGPT, they will help you out which model, which operating system you are using, what processor configurations you have of your device. That actually depends on that, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, 6 p.m. batch students, be ready to show your models
Ma'am,
and even your links
ma'am,
tomorrow.
I'm just sending it in the chat. I sent it.
Make sure 6 p.m. students that be ready with your models and your shareable links tomorrow. Those who are left, those who have already sent me, I can actually access them. Vedanta's model, okay, and this is
Ma'am, I have sent it.
Abhin's model as well. Okay, all right, students. I can really see that you have sent me the link as well. Make sure that the model is downloaded also in your systems. 6 p.m. batch students, very good evening. You guys can leave. We have 7 p.m. batch students joining. Bye. Good evening, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.